Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make meringue cookies in microwave. Whisk egg whites until foamy, then add sugar gradually while beating on medium speed for several minutes. Transfer to a piping bag and pipe small rounds onto parchment, leaving space. Cook at low power, checking every 20 seconds until crisp outside and slightly soft inside. Cool completely before removing to finish crisp texture and avoid cracking. Start with spotless tools and room temperature egg whites for best rise and stability. Add a pinch of cream of tartar to stabilize and beat until soft peaks appear. Gradually add sugar 1 tablespoon at a time, ensuring it dissolves between additions. Once glossy stiff peaks form, stop beating to avoid drying out the mixture. Pipe consistent sizes to ensure even microwave cooking and uniform texture across all cookies. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough for a comfy pair that lasts and comes with a lifetime warranty. They're perfect when you're standing baking for hours or carrying trays of cookies. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you like this tip, toss a sock comment. Now let's get back to the video. Place piped meringues on parchment and cook on low power in short bursts, approximately 20 to 40 seconds each, checking progress frequently. Rotate the tray between intervals to ensure even drying and prevent hot spots. If they brown, reduce power or shorten intervals immediately. After microwaving, leave meringues inside with the door slightly open to finish drying slowly and prevent cracking. Store completely cooled meringues in an airtight container to keep them crisp.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.